Eh. Sound alright though. Place clean and nice though. Are you clean?
Yeah.
Rasta, how you manage?
Yeah, manage though.
Me say you can stand up and walk a little bit. Do it make me see.
Yeah?
Walk a little bit make me see.
I got me a job.
Yeah, but then you tell me say you can. Walk make me see. Go to your bed make me see. Go to your mother's bed. I never know you. But you may always see you on the ground. Not drop, you know. Sit down, no bother drop, because I don't want you to go drop.
Come no Simon,
Yeah, no come no Simon. Him can move? Him can go to you?
Yeah.
Do it make me see your mother say you can't come. I don't want you dropping a phone in. Oh, good boy. I mean you say you wash up plate too. And you clean. What him clean?
Yeah.
Yeah. How clean food?
Everybody.
I want a younger, I want a big man them there.
Oh. Pour him clean too, stop it.
I joke man, you look at him man.
Yeah, and him wash up plate.
Yeah, because now the girl come in, because I'm thinking,
Yeah. Okay, so Miss Andrea, let me just say, me move this from side of the store, but I hear say yes, sir, you want it here, so because you look close them, and so you have to stretch. You go in there. That's what you say? Put back your ass back, so I don't like when your foot hang down. Put up your foot back on it. Yeah, put up our foot. So how you feel? You look much brighter in your face.
Thank you.
Yes.
No pain and nothing.
Give God thanks for your foot draw down.
Yeah.
Yes, and
I'm on the medication then.
the medication, yes. Yes, and who you may say you never get to open your account because them say you need your passport. Go and make your plan because them say you poor. I not put it on your foot because you say you not play football.
Yeah, from top body.
In your top body. I never know you have one top body. So now, how you feel, Pooh?
Yeah, I'm going easy back.
How you feel about the whole place and the two fan a kick?
Yeah,
I'm going to make sure I go get.
So it's any AC in here.
Are you nice? Who says nice and the AC in here? So you're comfortable, Pooh? Give God thanks. On a little fridge, on a fan. And Miss Andrea, let's give Mr. Shane Lion the $40,000 this morning. You know, me text say buy the things them to make the landing. When him got the hardware, it come to 40 something, 50 something, so make him cut down. Can need a plan to make something. So the people them say you must just put the landing out here so then push it through the back gate. Yes. Because of this so then carry you out through. Yeah, right there so. Yes. Fix up our clothes and look at self for sure. Hold your hand there so. You know no pin. Turn off that TV there, it'll distract me. But you love that big back there, eh? So on to that one they make you not use it.
Wi-Fi.
Oh yeah, if you have the Wi-Fi. If you don't have the Wi-Fi.
Too much people they say, and the Wi-Fi code are gone, then we bill.
Oh no, I forget to not own a Wi-Fi.
Too much people they on the
Yes.
Wi-Fi there.
Oh, Miss Andrea, curved by Tina. Marcia, curved by Tina, give me some clothes for you. Some nice clothes you put on. But I forgot to say a certain clothes you wear. Open front and so. See here, all of these belongs to you. Big up the company on my mother clothes for. Curved by Tina. She give me a batch of clothes to give you.
Yes.
1, see there, 2, 3, 4, 5 suits.
Yes, I tell her many times.
Many thanks.
Yeah.
Alright?
Okay.
And we have some donation for you. So Pooh, I want my dance, so come on here, so Pooh. Pooh, sit down on the bed, Pooh, because I don't know you talk about play football. After not know your foot.
Alright.
Foot dirty.
So, now I want a young girl them see you. So, okay. You know, I make a mistake with this. The lady want to something there. I fear money that. And me write wrong name on it. And Miss Marcia money. You might want that, me see? Turn it over. Turn over them that me see. Oh, I write wrong name. So, Miss Andrea, $6,000 from Miss Miserable. She want to be known as Miss.
Many times.
Yeah, make Pooh do the counting. Count Pooh. Watch him a smile. Alright, come Pooh, we ain't no joking time, you know. Because we need the Pooh, I not see him on TV again. Pooh, Miss Andrea son 4,005 from London Bridge. Count it. That's a Miss Andrea's son, a fee money that.
Okay.
Pooh, 4,005.
Thank you.
Pooh, take the money off my bed. Put the money, get the basket cover. Or one towel or something to put the money. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, you count it, Pooh?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Miss Andrea, 10,000 from Miss Black in England.
Many times.
Yeah. Some of them say your son also, you know. Fix up your clothes, ma'am. Miss Andrea, 10,000 from Dainty in New Jersey. Dainty in New Jersey.
Many times.
Yes, ma'am. Miss Andrea, Sexy in Hanover, 4,005.
God bless you all.
Yes. Miss Andrea, son Jermaine, 4,000 from Pretty Voice, Canada. Hold up your face, Pooh.
What are many
Yeah. Yeah, I'm name so. Ma listen out for people. Yeah, listen out for people name I call. Miss Andrea, son Jermaine, 2005 from Joy in Washington. Pooh, look up in the camera and talk to the people them who are send. Yeah. Are you not ready to say thanks yet?
Tell them many times.
Cool, man.
Alright, make him wait when him ready, man go say. Miss Andrea helped build the ramp, 11,000 from the Jamaica staff at the nursing home in North Miami. 11,000.
Many times. For all you.
Miss Andrea, 3,005 from Mother Bell. 3,005,
Many times.
Mother Bell. Miss Andrea, 11,000 from Cheryl and Smelly, mother and daughter.
Thank you very much.
Miss Andrea, 3,000 from Stephanie, UK.
Thank you all.
Miss Andrea, son Pooh, 5,000 from Foxy Braids. Pooh, 5,000 from Foxy Braids. Miss Andrea, 11,000 from a person who loves Auntie Donna. Big up yourself who love me.
Many times.
Yes. Miss Andrea, 2,000 from Sunshine and Rainbow.
Oh, hallelujah. Thank you.
Miss Andrea, 4,005 from Kiki, New York.
Thank you very much.
Miss Andrea, 10,005 from California, girl.
Thank you, darling.
And Miss Andrea, 5,005 from Beth and Cecile in Florida.
Thank you all.
Alright, Pooh, say what you have to say to everybody. Put it by your mother first? Alright.
I don't know how to do that.
Yeah, cover up your breast, Miss Andrea. So what you say now? Miss Andrea, say what you want to say.
Thank you for all the colleagues there. Thank you for all that done for me. That you made me around there for me. For the doctor, I know more actually not struggling.
Yes.
I thank you all for that for me. And God bless all of them.
Yes.
Also, the little come. Yeah, I made many more.
Yes, yes. What you have to say? What happened to him?
Well,
Yeah. I wonder if I try you know your name called you can cringe up in a corner.
and phone,
Eh?
and phone what I brought for us, I'm going to tell all of us thanks.
Oh, the phone them that me buy.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm many times on the Donna.
Alright.
Yes, it helped me a lot.
Yes.
And thank you all.
Alright. Pooh, your time now.
Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for your clothes them and
For your
help
mother,
out
yeah.
for mother and help out and the money to send.
Yeah, go ahead now.
Thank you for everything you have done for me and my mother as well.
Yes.
Thank Jesus still alive and Donna and our people them and who still send the money
Yes.
and the clothes them.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jesus,
Yes.
for what you have done for me. You see? Have a nice day. Bye.
We can't want to be nervous. So, Mr. Andrea, you say you want this something for the year, so because you have to take out your clothes.
Yeah.
Help yourself. Alright. Yes, ma'am. Yes, alright. Fine. So, what you have to say now?
Thanks for what you have done for my mother.
Okay, yes, yes.
And then the clothes I can sing, God bless you.
Alright.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, okay. Eh?
Thank you.
You like my color one?
Nice.
You smell my color, Rasta. Fix up your clothes, Miss Andrea. Fix up your clothes, do they?
Yes,
So you smell my color one so far? Me a color one goddess.
Oh.
Yeah.
If Annie Donna, what my hand have done, I'm sorry about that.
Okay.
Yeah, she said that she didn't mean any offense. And you like to apologize to you when every time and I should book up again. Yeah, and thanks all the one that have done for me. Yeah.
And you look so nice.
Wow.
Yeah. Sometimes I wear the pan the people, them heart come out of them mouth. Fix up your clothes. I wear the pan the heart come out of them tongue. Yeah, oh. Oh, Natalie. So you look bright. Me not like me feel pleased. All the place look, everybody blooming. The place just feel light and fresh and stuff like that. And your money in the bank. All the people, me go organize the pool, get the passport. So you can go get free money. Yeah. Bank. No, a passport it needs as ID. You don't know nothing. Alright, bless up yourself, Miss Andrea.
Yes, darling.
And thank you guys for looking out, and Mr. Shane coming tomorrow to work.
You have any around here?
Yeah, I'm going to be at the front there for you to slide down.
No, to go on.
Yeah, yes, yeah.
And God bless you.
Yes, ma'am.